Hello everyone. Hey, it's Andrew here, Central Regional Product Specialist with Sony for the Custom Installation channel, and I'm here today to give you a quick tour of the Sony Premium Home website. Okay, so I know what you're saying. It's a website. I've seen these things before, but there are a couple of really unique aspects about Sony Premium Home that I'd like to point out to you here to help you make the best out of your installation projects. So first, what is Sony Premium Home? Well, Sony Premium Home is the gathering point for the very best of Sony audio-video technology for that ultimate in the home installation. So whether it's a TV, a projector, or surround system, you can go right here to Sony Premium Home to figure out not only which product is going to give you that very best performance, but also all of these are really simple and easy to install. So let's take a look at a couple of the features here of Sony Premium Home. So at the top of the page, we have our options for our 4K HDR televisions, our ES projectors, our ES lineup of the audio-video receivers, and under the More tab is our high-resolution audio components, including our Walkmans, portable speakers, and our Blu-ray players. So lots of great information right here. But let's dig into a little bit here on these TVs. We have a main TV landing page that is going to give you some really good overview of our 4K and 8K television lineup here. I have our 8K LEDs, our 4K OLEDs, our 4K LEDs, and we can go and get more information about any of these by just simply clicking on a page. And let's take a look at one of my favorite panels, the 85-inch X95K. If I want to figure out exactly how to best install this, I'm going to go right down here to my spec sheets and my cut sheets. Now, what's the difference between these two? Well, spec sheet has all of that bullet point information that you may need to know about the TV, those specific features and input capabilities of the display. But for an installation, I usually want to go to my cut sheets. Cut sheets are going to be my detailed dimension drawings of the television. So I can, from the cut sheet, as we pull this up and it loads right here, I have all of my very detailed dimensions here in a PDF format in every mounting condition. So with the stand in its standard position, it has every little detailed bit of information I would need to know about how the feet are positioned, how it's going to sit on a stand, and what we can do to make this work for your setup here. As we scroll down to the other pages here, I have the multiple stand locations here in a narrow foot location, in a sound bar location, so we can set it up a little bit taller. And then probably in our most popular position is that wall mount position. So if I need to know where this is going to wall mount, I can scroll over here and I can zoom in as much as I'd like to take a look at where exactly those VESA wall mount holes are on the television, where all of my cables are going to route, and it's going to give you that really detailed information on every single Sony television. So when I go back to my main page, we can get that same information for our projectors. On the projector, the main page right here, it's going to give you some great general information about our projectors, the entire lineup, everything from our XW5000, that brand new XW5000 laser projector, to the 6000, 7000, VW5000, all the way up through our flagship GTZ380. This is also a very important location to know right here, because this is where you'll find Sony Projector Simulator. This is that simulator tool that we've built to help you make sure you're properly installing a projector. Take a look at my video on this, where I give you a deep dive in how to use Projector Simulator. But if I want to get some more of that information on my projectors, like my XW7000 right here, I can scroll right down here and get those same type spec sheets and those cut sheets that I needed for my television. So all that center of lens, where all of our mounting holes are on the XW7000, it's all right here in the cut sheet. But what if I need even more information for my projectors? Let's go back to our main page here. Down at the bottom, we've got a couple of other things here. We've got some of our information about our installation features, some technical information here on our 4K Ultra HD, our high resolution audio. And then we have that direct link to all of the documentation. But if I need even more information on the projectors, I have my projector BIM page, my building information modules. You're doing a project and you want to plug these into your AutoCAD. Right here, I can go to my XW7000 projector, and under the downloads, we have all of our AutoCAD, all of our several different format line drawings that we can bring in and export this information out into your design software. So that is our BIMs. And then very last thing I want to point out here is we do have a all new dealer locator. So if you're a end user on this site here, you're trying to figure out, hey, where can I find an integrator to put in these great Sony products for me here? We've got that dealer locator right here on Sony Premium Home. Okay, thanks for joining me today for this tour of Sony Premium Home. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. And if you have any other suggestions for videos, more of those technical details or anything else that we can do for you here at Sony, please let us know. Thanks, everyone.